In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply for ETA UK online. We'll be using the official GOV UK process, and this walkthrough focuses on completing the application online if you're not using the UK ETA app. I'll guide you through each part clearly so you know what to expect before you begin. First, go to the GOV UK page for applying for an ETA. On that page, you'll see information explaining that the easiest way to apply is through the app. Since this tutorial is for the online method, scroll down until you find the option that says you cannot apply on the UK ETA app and click it. Once you're on the next page, scroll down again and choose Continue Application Online. This takes you to the browser-based application, which is helpful if you prefer using a computer or if the app is not suitable for your device. You'll then arrive at a page that explains how the application works. Read through it carefully so you understand the full process. It will tell you that you'll need to take or upload a photo of the passport you plan to use for travel to the UK. You may also be asked to scan your face using your device's camera, although children aged 9 and under will not need to do that. You'll also need to take or upload a photo of yourself, answer some personal questions, and pay for the application. Once you've reviewed this information, click Continue. Next, you'll be asked which email address you want to use to receive your ETA decision. Enter your email address carefully because this is where important updates and your verification code will be sent. It's a good idea to double check for typing mistakes before moving on. After that, open your email inbox and look for the message containing your code. If you don't see it right away, give it a moment and check your spam or junk folder just in case. Then return to the GOV UK application page and enter the code exactly as it appears in the email. This step confirms your email address and lets you continue with the application. Once that's done, upload your passport and follow the next prompt on screen. Make sure the passport image is clear, fully visible, and easy to read because unclear uploads can slow things down. From there, simply continue through the remaining on-screen instructions as prompted. Before you start, it helps to have your passport, access to your email, and a device ready for photo uploads. Taking a few moments to prepare can make the process much smoother. That's how to apply for a UK ETA online.